just on the GoPro, I just shot this already, but the GoPro stuffed up. I'm not sure if the file works, so here we are back again. All right, I'm just going to put this on head cam and take you through my photo shoot, and I'll show you what I'm shooting for. Hopefully the sound's all right for you. See how it is. This is just the raw GoPro 9, no external mic enough, just everything internal and just shooting raw. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh. Stylish. All right, so don't know what that looks like, but let's give it a go. So when shooting vehicles, I like to shoot about 80 to 100 mil. It just gives it a nice depth of field that I have to get back. That's the only problem. Okay. Now, let's try AV. Yeah, that's a good shot. Get down low. Now I gotta turn hyper fast off. Yeah, just one shot, please. Yep. Okay, that's better. So we're on a bit of a hill here, so it looks a little bit odd. I'll try and get, those doors are open, that's pretty cool. Just, yeah, get the advertising in maybe. No, it's not really gonna work, the doors are too wide. I'm on the wrong settings, shoot full manual of course. And I'm going to shoot this one about 5.6. I don't want a lot of bokeh, but it's pretty bright, so we're going to go 1250, I reckon. Yeah, that's the stuff. I'll just dial it in a bit further and pull back a bit. Oh yeah, we get an A in here. So it's all about. I really got a center focus here too, so a lot of it's going to be out. Okay. Yeah, we'll do centimetering. Okay. A little bit underexposed on this one. Terrible. Something's wrong with the white balance. I might need to warm it up a bit, but I'll do that in post. Interesting shot through the tree. No, I'll get a bit closer. 135. Yeah. That's good. Alright, so let's go and see what there is to shoot around here. Can't shoot my car all day, that gets a bit boring. Just got the gull wings here. Now I'm shooting this at, what's that, 135. Could probably even go a bit closer. Bit of an interesting shot. It's got a light, it's not a bit balanced, a bit more balanced. It's got a good balance to it, this photo. If I just on there, a bit lower. Yeah, look at the reflection in the sky. If I can just get down low, see if I can't shoot through these trees. That might be a good shot too. Good bokeh on the back here. I might just bring up me 2.8. I'm gonna have to slow it right down. Speed that up to 1600. Might be a bit over. Yeah, it's peeking out a fair bit. So let's just go, just drop it under a little bit. Whoa, went the wrong way. 3200s. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's look. Can you hear that? That must be like a million flies. It sounds like a swarm of bees, but it's flies. I'm just going to go over to this tree that's fallen down and see if there's anything over there. This must be like an old washway, but we've got some good contrasting colours along this tree, so I'm thinking a shot straight up it. Now this is a bit of a nature shot, so I don't know if I really got the right lens for this, so we'll drop it back as far as we can to maybe 70 and just use distance. Going 2.8. Yeah, that's going to look pretty cool. So we're going to be shooting through here, but up the tree. And I'm going to try and get some of that colour. So we've got the oranges down the bottom and the greys up the top. I'm going to see if I can't capture that. So I think that looks pretty damn interesting. I've got to do focus lock as well. Here we go. Oh my God, listen to these flies. I need a bit more focus area, so I'm going to have to, and I need to bring that down a bit. Okay. I'm going to, oh, I should probably get some filters for this, I reckon. What am I on? Yep. ISO 800, let's turn the ISO down. That's way too high. Let's go 400 on the ISO and try and figure it out this way. I need more depth of field, or more or less depth field. Let's go maybe 6.3. Let's see how much. Yeah, that's better. So now I can. Yeah, because I've got a telephoto lens on, so it's not really the best. Oh, I forgot to focus. Okay, we should get a lot of good colours in there. Yep, perfect. Alright, what else we got? We got the yellows through the white here into the green. Might have to change the white balance for that one. Don't want to exactly do all that in post. And I'm not going to be able to get down far enough, so... Alright. Oh, we're going to lose that. So let's change the white balance. Auto white balance. Yeah, that's the colour we want. Sunshine. Sunshine. Lollipops in. Nope. It's right there. We'll go in a bit. That's it. Oh, first go. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, let's keep going. See what we can't do with this. Okay, he's just out of my focal plane because here we go. I might be able to get this. All right. Oh, come on, get off me. Time for a drink, I think. It's getting a little bit warm. So is this camera for some reason. getting really hot. I thought they fixed that problem with software, firmware or something, didn't they? Oh well. I'm going back to camp. I'm gonna have a cold one. I'll talk to you in a bit. That definitely looks like a fire pit. Oh, I'd love to have a fire. Oh, well, I did see something just up here as I was walking. It kind of looked good, but now I can't find where I was standing. What do you reckon? Just a camp shot? They're always good. I'll try and get a lot of detail, so I'm going to bump it up to about 9 ISO. Let's might even go ISO on auto. That way we just let, so I can play on time and he'll do the rest for me. That's the way. That's what I need to do. I need to bring the truck, but I think I'm going to have these trees in the way here. So I want the front of the truck into the van. That could be it. Ooh, a lot of shinies on there. Let's try and take out a bit more of that. White balance, shift. Let's give it a little bit more detail. Alright, that looks alright. Let's go.